How to redeem and use Google Play gift card. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today we're teaching you how to redeem and use Google Play gift card. If you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video till the end. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Google Play app on your mobile phone, and once you've opened it on your mobile phone, at the upper part of the screen you see the search box here, and the search box can input the name of the app you want to download and click on search, and the particular app will be displayed on your screen for download. So close to the search box is also the notification icon. We also have the profile icon close to the notification icon. Also on your screen you see various apps that are available on Google Play Store that you can also download. But since we want to learn how to redeem and use Google Play gift card, all you need to do is click on the profile icon that is just at the top right corner of your screen. Then you wait for a drop down to be displayed on your screen, and on this drop down you see on the drop down menu you see your name, you see the email address, you see options like manage apps and devices, offer and notification, payment and subscription, and other options are also available on this drop down. Since you want to redeem and use Google Play Store gift card, all you need to do is to click on settings. Once you click on settings, you would just go through it, and here we have the general option, we have the network preferences, we have the authentication, we have the family and all. Then if you don't want to do that, you can simply click on the profile picture icon again. Then you click on offers and notifications. On this offer and notification you can make a lot of changes on it. Then here on payment and subscription, once you click on payment and subscription, you'll be directed to a page where we have four options. We have the payment method, we have the subscription method, we have the budget and history method, then we have the redeem code method. So since you want to redeem code and use Google Play Store free gift card, you click on redeem code just like I've done here. Once you click on the redeem code option, you'll be directed to a page where you would be given options of what you want to do. So here on the redeem code option, you see here a code would have been sent to your email address. You simply copy that code and you input it on the available space here on your screen, and that is just how to redeem and use gifts on Google Play Store. Yes, so this is how to redeem and use gift on Google Play Store free gifts. So I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.